What up, lads? Let's make nut butter. Okay guys, so for the nut butter, we're gonna need any types of nuts. In my case here today, I'm using cashew nuts. You could use hazelnuts, walnuts, even almonds. Okay, the process is the same. So we have here only the nuts, pure and simple. I have a food processor and my oven is preheating. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in these cashew nuts into the oven for them to toast a little bit. We want to develop a little bit of color and roastiness in here. Then we're gonna take out and blend it with a little bit of salt, and that's it. Ha ha ha, finally. Ooh. So this is what we want. Toasty, toasty, not black. See, beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna close up, turn it on, and just wait for the beauty to become a paste. A little bit more. Our paste is done. What I'm gonna do now, just transfer to a jar. Bear in mind guys, this one I made with cashew nuts, okay? I have an old one here I did at home. I did this a long time ago and I did with hazelnuts, and you guys can see the oil there because they eventually split. Why I'm showing you this guys, because depending on the nuts you use, they're gonna have different content of oil, so you kinda can get a little bit of different results. But in the end, it's gonna be a tasty nut butter as well, don't worry. This one is lovely. So now, I just transfer this to a jar. Good. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.